This platform which is called Emerald Pro. Okay, good day everyone, you are welcome to Global Gift TV. This video I'll be showing you how you can make money through USDT and through Naira. Okay, if you are not in Nigeria, you can also make money through USDT from this platform. You can be making at least 6 USDT or more than that. Okay, simple and it's easy. Okay, first thing is that just come to this platform, you click on this recharge button, and choose any payment, any amount you want to go for. Okay, just go for any amount you want to go for. Click on the, let's say go for the 150,000 naira. Click on this recharge. Okay, click on the recharge. I can choose the payment of USDT. If you are not Nigeria, okay, first choose the payment of USDT and click on confirm, and you copy the address given to you, and you go to any of your crypto wallet to make the payment of 20 USDT. Make sure it is 20 USDT. Simple as. After that, just click on this production amount. Okay, after that, just have to wait at least 10 to 20 minutes to reflect in your account. But if you want to go for the Naira, okay, let's say you're Nigeria, just click on this Naira. Okay, payment of method. Okay, you have to confirm. That means choosing the Naira. Okay, please note that after the payment is complete, please upload. You have to upload the payment proof for them. Okay, this is the account you are going to send the money to. It is already written here. Okay, and you have to upload the payment proof to the voucher. Simple as that. And that you click on confirm payment. Okay, so you automatically show on your dashboard, and make sure it is exactly the amount you are sending, that is 15,000 naira. Simple as that. Okay, if you are the first time watching this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below, and drop a nice comment in this video. Very started making money from this platform. Make sure you drop your review in this comment video, so that in the comments below, so that I can know how you are making money online. Okay, simple as that. The next thing is that after you have deposited, you have to come here where you see generator. Okay, you can buy any miner. Let's say the one you deposited, the one of 15,000 naira. You just have to come here, click on this rent. Okay, click on the price is 15,000 naira, the amount you deposited, and you automatically be click on this confirm. It will automatically show on your balance, and it will automatically be start working. Okay, after that, you have to come to this generator income here. Okay, where you see generator income here, you click on it, and click on start working. Understand me? I click on the start working. This one has already start working before. Okay, and every day you just have to come here and click on that. That's what you're going to do. That is really the simple tasks you're going to do in this platform. Simple as that. Okay, so withdraw is very simple. You can withdraw to your Naira account. Okay, to your USDT. You just have to select the bank and make everything look okay. Set up your account, balance everything USDT. Okay, simple as that. Okay, and you know to withdraw this platform. Once you withdraw is 3,000 naira. Okay, do you know to withdraw is 3,000 naira? You want to recharge 6,000 naira? Just go ahead and start making money from this platform, guys. You can also invite your friends and start making money in this platform too. You just have to click on this. I see my team. See, you click on this invite here. Okay, and copy your referral link and share it to your friends and your loved ones, so that you can also make money from this platform, guys. Also make money from this platform. And your withdrawal password, make sure you remember your password. To register this platform is very simple and it's very easy. Okay, very simple and very easy. Okay, let me log out to my account and show you how to register. These are how to register now. Okay, click on this register. I'll drop the link in the description so that you can register your own account too. You select your country. Okay, with Pakistan, Argentina, Ecuador, many countries. Okay, you can choose one just country you are from. Okay, if your country is not there, don't have to be one. You can choose another country and deposit with your USDT. Simple as that. Okay, you put your phone number there, put your password and confirm password. Okay, after that you click on confirm, and if you need any help, you just have to come in, chat the head of the customer care on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Simple as that, guys.
Link in description below.
This is how the platform works. Doesn't require you
Subscribe.
doing tax, maybe you doing tax every time. No, just one time of tax, just clicking on the generator income. Simple as that, guys. If you like this video, make sure to drop a nice comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos like
Share.
this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video, guys.